Morning, folks. Yeah, it's Saturday, June 8th. Sun's out a little bit there by Joe's. Yeah, I'm listening to Shallow Point, so it's Shallow Point Saturday. That's right. And, hope everybody's having a whoop-ass day. Oh, yeah, whoop-ass day. And be jamming on some Shallow Point. Yeah. My leg's all fouled up today, so I ain't gonna be out and about anywhere. But I will be rocking out in Shallow Point. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. That damn high bad hair day too. It's all went south there about got my electronic cigarette. Got my blueberry drink. Oh yeah. And a couple friends coming over, watch a couple movies. Awesome. And try to beat the heat. So hope everybody have a whoop ass Shallow Point Saturday, June 8th. Yeah. Oh. Rock and roll. Metal. Alright. Have a whoop ass day. God bless. Later.